Hey there. Eyeing that big points bonus for a new Amex card? Qualifying for the welcome bonus is your first step to a huge points haul, but you need to follow the rules carefully. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's how you qualify. First, you must be approved for a new card you haven't held before, or in a long time, depending on Amex's once per lifetime rule. The offer will state a spending requirement, like spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. You must put that amount of net purchases on the card within the specified time frame. Returns and credits don't count. Once you hit the threshold, the bonus points are typically credited to your account within 8 to 12 weeks. My crucial pro tip? Spend naturally, but plan ahead. Don't go into debt for a bonus. Instead, time your application before planned big purchases. Also, ensure you're eligible. Amex can claw back bonuses if they suspect gaming, like buying gift cards to meet the spend. That's your strategic approach to starting your points journey with a bang. What's the best welcome bonus you've ever earned? Let me know in the comments. If guides on maximizing credit card rewards help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.